Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be looking at how to play the famous and insanely bizarre folk song Hey Diddle Diddle, the cat with the fiddle, which quite possibly dates back to the 16th century. So here we have a harmonica. This harmonica is in the key of C, but don't worry if yours is not in the key of C, because the numbers are the important part. In this lesson, if you see this red arrow pointing this way, it means blow into the harmonica. But if you see this blue arrow, it means breathe in through the harmonica. Got it? Good. Here is what Hey Diddle Diddle looks like when it's written down in the key of C. And here is how it sounds. E, 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 F, G, D, 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 C, D, E, 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 F, G, D. E, F, 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 G, A, G, E, C, D, E, G, 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 A, B, C. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 5 4 times. Breathe in through 5 and blow into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, breathe in through 4 times. Blow into 4, and breathe in through 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 5 3 times. Breathe in through 5, blow into 6, and breathe in through 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, blow into 5, breathe in through 5 4 times, blow into 6, and breathe in through 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, blow into 6, blow into 5, blow into 4, breathe in through 8, and blow into 8. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, blow into 6 4 times. Breathe in through 6, breathe in through 7, and blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on Patreon. We'd love your support. And if you're a YouTube content creator like me and are looking for a place to share your work with other like-minded YouTubers, then come and join my Facebook group, Circle of YouTubers. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned.